Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying which Windows Media Player edition you have, because skins target specific WMP builds. Once done, create a dedicated folder and back up the current skins directory so you can revert. Next, install a decompressing tool like 7-Zip to open WMZ or WMS packages. This lets you inspect contents and extract bitmaps, XML, and skin files. Doing these steps first prevents file conflicts and saves time when you install legacy assets. You now locate archived skin packages and bring them into your working folder. Once you extract a WMZ, check for a skin, XML or manifest plus image assets. These are necessary for Windows Media Player to render controls. If paths differ, open the manifest and update asset file names or folders to match WMP's expected layout. Also confirm any version tags if a skin targets an older WMP. Modify the compatibility fields so the player will accept and display the skin correctly. You finish by copying the prepared skin folder or WMZ into the Windows Media Player skins directory and enabling skins under player options. Restart WMP and select the skin, test playback, seek, and plugin areas to ensure every button maps correctly. If something fails, use your backup to restore the prior state, then check file paths, permissions, and edit the manifest again. As a key tip, run WMP in an older Windows compatibility mode if resources or scripting inside the skin won't.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.